Huh. There's kind of a weird vibe in the studio today. Everyone's acting like they've seen a ghost or something. I'm just gonna keep going about my day. We've got a PC case to unbox, so stay tuned. What's up, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Today we're unboxing the Rosewill Spectra Micro ATX PC case that's giving major cool vibes.
Hey Devin, I heard there's a Spectra in the studio. Who knew this place was haunted, right? Anyways, we gotta look out for each other now more than ever. We wouldn't want the studio to close, even though I'd make millions on the insurance.
Wait, what? No, wait. What?
Anyways, see you later. Stay safe.
Okay. Anyway, this sleek mini tower PC case comes complete with RGB fans and a geometric mesh front panel that gives your rig an extra bit of edge. It's a super user-friendly case. You'll have no problem building your custom PC inside of it. So let's get to it. It's time to unbox this. Okay guys, if there is a ghost in studio, I've got my box cutter here and I imagine this would be a pretty good self-defense tool. But for now, we're using it to get the Spectra out of the case. Out of the box, I mean, not out of the case. Here we go. There we go. Okay, here we go. This is a pretty good looking case and we've got a couple peel moments. Oh, this one's gonna be good. All right, let's check out the inside here. Well, first we have the product overview and then another peel moment. Ugh. So good. Okay guys, I'm so excited to get into the specs of this case, so let's do that right now. The Spectra C601 case is minimalistic and modern with just enough gamer edge to satisfy all of you competitive gamers. It has a high airflow design. The steel mesh front panel right here lets heat escape out of your case so nothing gets too hot and your system can run at peak performance. The unique design on that steel mesh front panel also sets this case apart from others we've seen on this channel. With the RGB fans turned on, it looks really cool. And speaking of those fans...
Oh, hey, Devin. Can you believe that there's a spooky Spectra haunting this place? Wowie kazowie.
Wowie kazowie? Jeremy, there's no ghost.
Golly, I hope you're right. It'll be a shame if we had to shut this place down, even though I stand to make millions off of insurance. Oh well, bye.
What is going on? This is not chill, you guys. But speaking of chill, there are 3 fans in the case with 2 additional mounting options on the PSU shroud. This chassis comes complete with 10 default lighting modes, or you can customize the RGB lighting with your compatible Asus, Gigabyte, and MSI motherboards. This case is expansion ready. It supports micro ATX motherboards with an easy to build in layout. You can fit a 330mm long GPU, 200mm long PSU, and 180mm tall CPU cooler, as well as all the HDDs and SSDs and add-on cards that you want. Hey Devin. Wait, please don't tell me you're scared of the Spectra case because it's gonna haunt the studio and we might have to close down.
Well, I just came by to say hi.
Oh.
And Spectra doesn't even mean ghost. It actually means like a band full of colors, like the rainbow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But you know, if we did have to close down, I could make millions. You know, off the insurance. Anyway, see you later. Bye!
I can't do this anymore. This has a super builder-friendly layout. This hinged glass panel makes it easy to access all of your components, and there are plenty of opportunities for cable management. It also features the latest USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports for data transfer speeds up to 20 gigabits per second. If you like the look of this case and you want a chassis that has plenty of opportunities for expansion, shop the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. Aha! Gotcha! What? I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching. We just unboxed this. Bye!